To handle this COVID-19 vaccines, there will be a surge in demand. So we have upgraded our infrastructure within the terminal to enhance the capacity for handling these particular vaccines at Hyderabad. So what we have done, we have a Belunda facility on the land side for holding these particular vaccines. Plus the dedicated truck docks we have made under the temp control, after which we do the weighments immediately, which will not have the process gaps, and then immediately it is getting screened. And then we have in the terminal dedicated workstations to handle these critical shipments on a very stipulated time, after which these cargoes have been built up according to the airline's requirement. Again, it is getting stored back into the different temperature zones. So as per our preparedness, we have catered to the desired temperatures where the vaccine is getting handled. So 15 to 25, 2 to 8, minus 20, these are the capacities which we have enhanced at our airport to handle this surge in demand. Apart from that, right from the acceptance till it is dispatched, we are geared up to handle these vaccines in a very standard process oriented wise, wherein these are the special shipments we need to handle this, for which our people are already trained. They are very skilled in handling this temperature control pharmaceuticals, and we are also providing the unbroken cold chain for this entire vaccines, which requires a very stringent temperature zones.
So, sir, and what is the capacity?
This capacity at the Hyderabad, maybe you can say that with the current capacity we can handle per day around 200 tons dedicated only for the vaccines. We can also scale up our infrastructure within the shortest possible time by having the infrastructure enhancement for the temp control facilities at Hyderabad airport.
Efficacy of these COVID-19 vaccines in this environteners. These are called the active solutions. So this will be coming directly, and we have procured state-of-the-art larger tunnel X-ray machines, which are 180 by 180 HT dual view X-ray machines, which can straight away screen these active solutions, whatever the shipper would like to use it. So this can maintain up to 2 to 8 degrees, 50 to 25 and minus 20. So these are the preparedness what we have done to expedite the process, and we have procured our infrastructure to have these larger tunnel X-ray machines to directly right from the shipper place. This can be screened directly. Once you close the container there, no need of opening anywhere. So this is one of the unique feature at Hyderabad GMR Air Cargo, we have done this unbroken cold chain.
See on top also.
Cold chain of these depth sensitive cargoes till the aircraft. So this is one of the unique facility. This has a 7-tonner aircon unit fixed into this. This can be on a power mode as well as onto the generator mode. So this is one of the unique facility which we have adopted to gear up for this supply chain of the COVID vaccine. Right? After you can clearly see the arrangements done by the GMR at different levels in the airplane and the other craft. And some facilities are being carried out in the different temperature zones. The acceptance of these cargoes which are controlled maintaining a truck stop, and then we have also brought in basically improvise and in our terminal by whenever we offload capacity and then we are doing the build up and we enhance our capacities. Also implementing this additional in Hyderabad. We are gearing up to enhance by plus these materials comes under
अरे इसके बैकग्राउंड में ले लेते ना।